In this video, I'll explain the task overdue and current options for projects and tasks. These settings are set up at the system level and the project level. And with this setting here, tasks overdue ending in number of days, it defaults to 0, which means that it's immediately overdue. But if you didn't want it to be considered overdue for a couple of days, let's say you wanted it to be overdue after 5 days of the end date, you would put a 5 in here, and then it won't be marked considered overdue until it's 5 days past the end date. Tasks current starting in number of days. This means if a task starts within the next 7 days, it's considered current. Otherwise, if it's beyond 7 days, it's considered future. So it'll be overdue if its end date is passed over 0 days, and then it'll be current if it's from 0 to now, and then it'll be considered future if it's beyond that. Down here, you can have enable task status background color. So if there's status colors, you can turn this on, and then whatever the status of the task is will show as a background color on the dates. So like this, if I had done being green, then it'll show green in the start and end dates. This is usually off because we do this a lot. Just when a task is completed, we turn it green. But you can also change the background color of the start and end dates if it's overdue, or you can have a color for current and future. So this allows you to decide, do you want the color to be of the dates fields to be based on the status of the task itself? Or do you want it to just be green when it's completed, which is kind of our default? Or do you want to have a designation for colors for different overdue, current, and future? We normally have these off as well.